That was an aggressive fall into the close. You don't like to see that. What caused that? Nothing. But I'm still not concerned. And there's some other stuff that didn't really seem to have a catalyst that is posing to be rather bullish. For example, Tesla up over 5% today off of basically nothing. This is Tesla. This is not, Apple. This is Tesla, one of the most commonly believed to be overpriced and expensive stocks in the market, rallying 5% while the market is relatively flat overall. In addition, the VIX is down over 20% over the last couple of days. That's pretty big. That's showing that a lot of fear, it's called the fear gauge, is leaving the market. Generally a bullish sign. I saw some Tom Lee data today, and you can see that after there's a massive spike in the VIX, which we had last week, and it comes down, there tends to be a rally. And I think the makings of that are still pretty much in order. I'm really not taking anything out of the technical move towards the end of the day today. I'm sticking with the fundamentals, sticking with the energy stocks that look good. Inflation seems to be returning, but it seems that the market is taking that in stride and rallying on inflation, as it should, as we've been saying for a very long time. Even as the market sold off on inflation talk and fears and data, that trend is reversed. Now it's doing the opposite, as it should. Stocks should do well in inflation, not poorly in inflation. Bond yields ticked up this morning, pulled back throughout the day, strangely, maybe artificial Fed buying. Who knows? Doesn't matter. Because we think bond yields go up in the long term. And unlike it has in the past, where stocks have fallen on rising bond yields, we think bond yields can go up and stocks can go up at the same time. We think that's going to happen because real rates will likely stay the same or stay negative or fall even more negative as inflation picks up at some level and bond yields rise at a lower rate than inflation picks up, meaning real rates are actually lower than they were before. So the market and the makeup of the market seems rather okay. We are remaining long, not doing anything today in terms of transactions, and holding steady for now. If, opportunities present themselves, if facts change, if data changes, we will adapt. But right now, all signs point to inflation. All signs point to the market underappreciating inflation. And all signs point to the edge being in the inflation corollary trades. Assets that are assets, real physical things that are there and in limited supply. And if they print dollars, that they will just adjust to the dollar printing. These areas tend to be underowned, but as inflation picks up, they will be more owned. They are severely underowned right now. So there seems to be a double whammy coming for these assets. And we are heavier in these. We also have our tech exposure that's winning today. Again, on a bearish day, I'm not expecting my, 5 to 10x multiplier in valuation stocks to be up that have little to no revenue. Yet, those are my biggest gainers today by a lot and leading to my pretty nice outperformance on the market, even with my overweight energy stocks down today. So be it. We're sticking with the trade, energy, Mosaic, companies like that are inflation corollary, but very cheap. And we would even buy in non-inflation environments. But with that force, we really think we have an edge on these kinds of stocks. And they're so well priced and underappreciated and should do well in this environment in conjunction with growth, not Amazon, not Apple. We don't view that as growth over here. Companies that can 5 to 10x in valuation. This is where we view the edge. We also view the edge in inflation and in energy, which is, in our opinion, related to inflation. So, until next time, peace out. And rest in peace, John McAfee. He did not kill himself. He would never kill himself. He would always fight. He has always fought. He knows a whole lot about the Clintons and people like that and lots of other information. And we'll see if any of it comes out, because I'm sure he anticipated this. So until next time, peace out.